Okay, everybody. So I was out riding with the guys. We were at a stop, and suddenly someone says, "Did anyone lose a heel?" And it had some markings on it, and I looked at the bottom of my shoe, and sure enough, a part was missing from my. These are Specialized S-Works torch, and a little piece was missing from my shoe. And you can see in the other shoe that the heel piece, these are called heel lugs, is on there. So made a warranty claim, so I got the spare parts, which I'll put the part number in the description here so you have it, and got a replacement heel lugs. And I couldn't find any way to find a video to replace it, so that's what this video is. Sorry for being lame. Don't normally do this, but so the first thing you have to do is take your liner out, and there'll be a tiny screw, you can see it, where that hole is, and you unscrew that. Now for my shoe, and then what should come out is the heel lug. Looks like this. You can see that there's a little screw attachment on there. Now mine would not come out, and so I was staring at it. There's no videos, and it was clear that something separated from my pieces. And so I guess what I'm here to tell you is that if that happens, I used a knife, and I found one spot over here where I could, I kind of cleaned out the groove a little bit. And this is, I think it's really meant to be obviously fitted in there. And so when the screw is on it, it holds it in place. But I was able to basically pop this off, and now you see the exposed portion of the screw hole. And so then what I'd recommend to do is obviously like clean that out a little bit. I use these for gravel riding, so that's why they're dirty. And then you proceed with the replacement. So there is a right and a left. So I'm gonna put the right back in. Just sits in there nice and footed. I think it's important to clean it out. I did have some dirt in there, some thicker gravel, and so clean that out. And now I'm going to go back in and put this screw in. All right, put my insole back in, and I'm good to go. And that is the S-Works Torch heel lug replacement.